everybody, Whitney Magnuson here with a super fun video I'm really excited about. So today I'm going to show you how to make this million candle card, and I'm going to be using the 4-inch wreath builder template. They come in a pack like this. And then you're going to be needing an original size MISTI. So I have my original MISTI and my template already taped inside using some purple tape. I'm also going to be using a few colors of Gina K Designs inks in cubes, and the stamp set Birthday Go Around, which is brand new to the Unity website and exclusive. So I'm going to be using a rectangle sheet of paper here. This template is made for squares, but the cool thing is that with a little trick, you can do pre-die cut rectangles too and achieve a perfect wreath. So I'm going to start off with the bigger candle in this set, and I'm going to position it off to the left on the side. You always want to start in square orientation, otherwise if you start in diamond orientation, your wreath is going to be kind of overflowing off to the side, which I like that effect too, but for this one we're going to be square orientation. And I'm taking the color Sea Glass and I'm inking up the bottom half of the candle. Then for the flame, I'm going to take Prickly Pear and ink up the flame. And what's cool about this, why I really recommend cubes for the wreath builder, is that it makes it really easy to achieve those two-tone stamped effects. So the flame being a separate color than the candle, I think really makes it pop, and it's a really cool effect and super easy to do with these cubes. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the video here since it's the same process. I'm just rotating my panel around in my template and inking up the bottom half with Sea Glass and the top half with Prickly Pear. And I'm just going to repeat this same inking process with several different colors and the small candle as well. So you'll see in a minute here, I'm going to grab the small candle and I'm going to switch up my color to add in some different colored candles. So here's the small one, and I'm going to be using Innocent Pink, and for the flame, the same Prickly Pear. And if you can add as many candles as you want to make the wreath full, whatever you want. So I'm going to be adding several colors here. I'm going to do Tranquil Teal, Passionate Pink, and Innocent Pink. And I'm just repeating that same process to do a really full wreath effect. So for the sentiment, I went ahead and I die cut out a circle out of my machine. And then I'm going to be stamping a sentiment from the Birthday Go Round set with Gina K Amalgam ink. So there it is. So now for card assembly. I'm just going to be adding a iridescent stripe ribbon around the panel. And I have an A2 card base in Sea Glass. And I went ahead and I foam taped that sentiment, just popped it up in the middle. So you get this really fun effect with tons of candles. It's great for birthdays. So there are some close-ups. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.